6:39. We had a small helicopter behind us. It's a Robinson R-44 Raven 2. Apparently crashed just after takeoff. We had Wheeling, Prospect Heights, and Des Plaines Fire Departments all respond. Pilot was out on our arrival. He was transported with minor injuries. Aside from that, we almost immediately started to shrink our footprint, try and get traffic moving this morning. And right now, we are just waiting for FAA and other agencies to come in. The airport's got people out here. And at this point, we're just waiting for the investigation to commence. That's really all I have at this time. He did hit a light pole, which is where the cones are right now. Contractor for IDOT just came out, tapped it, made it safe.
Can you give us the age or any description at all of the pilot?
Male. That's all I got.
And his injuries?
Minor.